Hey friends, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and this is What We Are Brewing. We are back again this month to bring you a new roaster, a new coffee, and a new brewer. This month we are featuring Metric out of Chicago, Illinois, Chi-Town, the Windy City, and their beautiful single origin Peruvian, Rivera El Rejo. And let's get to brewing. So I have 22 grams here, ground at a 6 on the EK43S. So we're talking about like a medium fine grind. Our water is just off boil and I already have the filter rinsed. So we're gonna go ahead and put the coffee in. Level it a bit. And then we're gonna put the dispersion screen back on and we're gonna pour the water directly onto that. Our first pour is going to be 100 grams. So what's really cool about this brewer is the dispersion screen eliminates the need for a gooseneck kettle. Because the little holes on top, they evenly disperse the water across the grounds, and that takes away the need for the precision. So we're gonna let this go for about 45 seconds. All right. Another cool thing is because it is clear, you can see and make sure that all of the grounds are fully saturated. All right, we're also brewing at a 1:15 ratio now. We're gonna go in for our second pour and we're gonna pour 230 grams. All the way up to 330. All right. Just gonna give that a twirl. Everything's looking good. All right, so the recipe that we're using right now, as I said, both pours were done on the dispersion screen. The Tricolate is capable of producing crazy high extraction yields. This recipe, we're seeing about 20%, but there's another method that I'll talk about more in the blog that we've been getting things upwards of 23%, which is really high. So while we're waiting, let's talk about Metric. As I said before, Metric is out of Chicago. They are really firm on their company culture and ethos. They are firm believers in building lasting relationships with farmers and producers. And their company culture has a really fun slogan, and it's no board, no suits, and no creamer. As for the coffee here, the Rivera El Rejo, Rivera is actually a friend of Metric. He is a third-generation coffee producer and the co-founder of Origin Coffee Labs, which is an exporter that ensures that the farmers and producers in northern Peru are making a living wage for the coffee that they produce. So we are here at about 5 minutes and it's coming to an end of our brew. You can see how the Tricolate lets the coffee trickle down into it. It can be fun to watch, and it taking 5 minutes, if that, when you're brewing in the morning, pour and then go do your hair or something. All right, so we finished up around 6 minutes. Metric says that this coffee tastes of lemon custard, bittersweet chocolate, and graham crackers. Let's see. You get that lemon taste immediately. And then at the end, you get the sweetness. And that would be the custard and graham crackers. That is very, very good. You can find a variety of single origin and blends on Metric's website. We will drop that link in the description. And you can learn more about Metric, their coffee, and the Tricolate online at primacoffee.com. And thanks for watching.